The eShop on Nintendo Switch is finally getting the change users have been asking for a long time. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech and gaming news. Nintendo has deployed an update for the Switch that brings a long-awaited feature to the eShop. Now, finally, users can scroll through the store in dark mode as long as your system is set to that theme. Oh, and there's the small matter of Nintendo overhauling the eShop. Now browsing the games in the online store feels much faster and more responsive. As noted by Vooks, the Switch version of the eShop is now a native app rather than a web-based experience. After testing it out on both consoles, and if the eShop is compared on both of them, it performs a bit faster on the Switch too, maybe because it offers a better hardware. Still, this doesn't mean that there's no change on Switch, as the update will still make a world of difference to those who are still playing on the older version. It's a shame it took Nintendo nearly a decade to get the eShop to this point, especially after a ton of players have already moved to the Switch too. But like they said, it's better late than never. The company also made some other useful changes with this update, such as being able to lock the eShop with a PIN. You can protect saved payment methods with a PIN as well. Apart from that, you'll be able to skip forward and back through full-screen videos 10 seconds at a time in the eShop, and the News app with the ZL and ZR buttons. Getting something from the eShop on Nintendo Switch has now become easier than ever. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.